15-piece set. NutriChef 15-piece non-stick cookware set includes pink and blue sauce pot, yellow cooking pot, green Dutch oven pot, black small fry pan, red medium fry pan, slotted spoon, slotted spatula, lids, pasta server, soup ladle, and potato masher. Non-stick coating. The PTFE/PFOA/FOS-free non-stick pots and pan sets cooking ware features a long-lasting black non-stick coating inside for easy food release or tossing, cleaning and healthy cooking with mixed colors. Heat-resistant lacquer exterior. Cool Touch handle grips. The pot set features Cool Touch ergonomic and heat-resistant solid black Bakelite handles ensuring comfortable and safe cooking, stylish colorful kitchen cookware design, stain-resistant, and easy-to-clean dishwasher safe. See-through lids. The non-stick cookware pots and pan set are equipped with see-through multi-size tempered glass lids with vent holes that allow steam to escape and includes heat-resistant kitchen tool utensils for hassle-free cooking. Induction ready. The pots and skillet fry pans are safe for use in gas, electric, ceramic and induction counter cooktops. Made of pressed aluminum metal W/18 to 25 micrometers, 2.5 mm coating thickness that effectively distributes and retains heat for even cooking. Superior quality. 100% lifetime satisfaction guarantee. We've proven and tested our cookware for even cooking durability. You can enjoy our cookware sets risk-free. NutriChef's mission is to develop premium and durability home cookware pots and pans to help you lead a healthier and better lifestyle with 100% customer satisfaction. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent product for a bargain shopper. This set is by far the best deal, and they seem to hold up well to a lot of use. So far, after 3 months, no scratches and the non-stick coating is in excellent condition. I'm okay with this set even if it were to wear out within the year, because I paid just around $40, so no huge loss. It would totally be worth the investment. I stopped buying expensive pots that promise so much, considering none of them do what they say anyway. This is also on my Christmas wish list to buy again for my son's first apartment. So buy them, you won't regret it.